Welcome to the driveway. Today I'm going to be taking this pile of 2x4s and making car stands out of them. Gotta work on my son's Ford Ranger and it needs to get up off the ground and be safe while we're underneath it. First step here, I'm going to mark these off at 2 foot. Cut them all up in 2 foot segments. Over here on the miter box, I've got the wood secured, clamped down here. Make my blade line up exactly with that mark I made. Chop it off and repeat. Alright, now that we have all of our 2x4s cut into 24-inch segments, we're going to take us some wood screws. I got these 3-inch ones, so it makes it all the way through into the next board. And we're going to take these and crisscross them and build a little tower. So, after checking the fit here on my tire, I think I'm going to cut all these down shorter. This is one of the pieces I cut off. It's 20.5 inches. So you see it still sticks way out past the tire. So I think I'm going to cut these all to 20. And that way, when it's under the tire, the support will be more under the vehicle, under the tire instead of out past the tire like it was going to be. And then you'll have less bow in the middle of your lumber. More supportive tower. Oh, time to trim them all up. Alright, I got all those shortened. I'm going to go back to building my towers. Just alternate back and forth. We're going to build these up probably about 6 layers or so. We'll see how much lumber we got. The only real secrets I have to share here is when I put my next board on, I'm going to alternate which corners the screws are on here because I don't want to screw down right back into the same screw. So this next one I'm going to go the other diagonal. You want the screw heads to be countersunk or smooth so that your board sits on there even. You don't want it wobbling. And try to get this thing as square as possible. Alright everyone, well, I went on and made these 8 layers high a piece. So I've got 2 of them set on top of each other here. I did use just regular stud material 2x4s, so they were cheap. We used 8-inch wood screw, or 3-inch wood screws rather. It took a little over a box to do 2 of these units. So if you're doing 4, you're probably going to need 3 boxes of screws. Just as far as how many 2x4s to get, just take your, however long you're doing, divide it by up into your, whatever your length of lumber you're getting, if you're getting 8 foot or 10 foot pieces. And I do have some scrap there, so when I go to make the other 2, I have a little bit. All in right now, I've got about $50 in this. You could also use treated lumber if you wanted them to be a little more weatherproof. I figure these are going to get coated with enough oil and grease that they'll be okay. Yeah, that's the ticket. They'll get lots of use here in my driveway.